Hello everyone, my name is Rakho Krishna Chandropal and I am a third year computer science and engineering student at Daffodil International University. Today I do like to share a bit about my academic journey, achievements and the passions that drive me. Skill and strength. In the realm of skill, my proficiency is in various aspects of administrative tasks, event organization and team coordination. Education. Starting with my foundation, I completed my higher secondary certificate at our Wisdom Standard College in Rajshahi, where I graduated with a GPA of 4.67. Since joining Daffodil International University, I have had many rewarding experiences. I have also expanded my skill in hands-on technology through a certificate in professional digital marketing from ABCL IT. Through this program introduced me to practical aspects of 3D modeling and additive manufacturing, which have applications in many fields of engineering and design. In addition to 3D design, to tested my skill in programming by competing in DIU CAC Takeoff, a programming contest organized by the CPC Club, where I was proud to reach the main round. This experience deepened my problem solving abilities and helped me work under pressure while honing my coding skill. I have also completed 2 courses from GoEdu, further expanding my knowledge and skill in imaging tech fields. Teamwork. My background in community service and many project work based on my programming activities as teamwork skill, enabling me to work effectively across various professional environments. Thank you for giving me the chance to introduce myself. I am excited to continue contributing to our university and the broader tech community and detection. Hope to make a meaningful impact in the years to come. Thank you.